be showing you the whole box of secrets. Oh, wait. Look. There's this. There's another. Oh, that little red button means it's going to video it.
Yeah, it's recording.
Here it is, the little potty. That means it's going to go on YouTube.
No, we have to upload it to YouTube after.
And here's that. Mom, we had this. We had this before. Here is. Here's banana. There's a whole bunch. If you just say how many there are, I'll just send this to you. Banana. This is the special candy. Here is banana. Got ruined a little bit. Chocolate. I'll just show you. And here's the whole bag. 128 candy. Looks like one of my candies destroyed the sucker, Mommy. I have a whole bunch. There's gonna be. I'll just do it really quick. If you want to resist, I'm just trying to go quick on these, so I won't have to make another video. See, it's pink. Here's it. So that's all the candy. And say bye.